I am Sanjay, and in this video we will discuss Leetcode problem 1460. Make two arrays equal by reversing subarrays. Let's see what the problem description says. You are given two integer arrays of equal length, target and array. In one step, you can select any non-empty subarray of array and reverse it. So we have to choose some non-empty subarray of array and we have to reverse it. You are allowed to make any number of steps. Return true if you can make array equal to target or false otherwise. Okay, let's see from the example. Target is 1, 2, 3, 4 and array is 2, 4, 1, 3. So we have to convert our array to the target. Let's see how we can do that. You can follow the next step to convert array to target. First, reverse the subarray 2, 4, 1. So if we reverse 2, 4, 1, then our array will become 1, 4, 2, 3. Now 1 is fixed and it is same as our target array. Now let's check for other 3 elements 4, 2, 3. So if you want to fix the second element, then we have to reverse 2 and 4. So reverse subarray 4, 2. So the array becomes 1, 2, 4, 3. Now we have 2 elements are set 1 and 2 and we have to set the third element. So we just have to revert 4 and 3. So we are reversing 4 and 3 and array becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting the target element now. So from the explanation, this is pretty clear that we have to keep fixing element one by one and it would hardly take n times. In the example 2, we can see the target is 7 and array is 7. So the output is true because our array is equal to the target. In the example 3, we can see the target is 3, 7, 9 and the array is 3, 7, 11. So 11 is a new number. No matter how many times you are reversing the string, you can't get 11 in the target. So the output is false. So from these 3 examples, this is pretty clear that if we have all the elements has the same occurrence in the array which is there in the target, then we can convert array into target. Now let's see what are the constants. So target length equal to array length and target length will be from 1 to 1000 and the element of target can be from 1 to 1000, element from array can be from 1 to 1000. Now this is pretty clear that we have to check the frequency of array and the frequency of each element of the array should be equal to the target. And if there is more frequency of any number in the array, in that case we will not meet our target. So let's take one integer array, we can call it frequency and the size of frequency will be 1001. Why we are taking 1001? Because each element of the array in target and array will be at most 1000. Now let's check the frequency of each element of target. So we can simply increase the frequency of the number if that is occurring in our target. And we would decrement the frequency of each number in the array. So if the frequency of any number in the array is more than the frequency of that number in target, then that frequency will be negative here. And if the frequency is negative, it means the array cannot be formed to target. So it will return false. Else, if all the elements frequencies are equal in array and target, then frequency of num will be always equal to 0 and it will not cross 0 and become negative. So after decrementing each number in array, if it is not becoming negative, then our array can become the target. Now let's check if our code is working properly. So this is passing the sample test case. Now let's see if this is passing all the test cases. Great. So this is passing all the test cases. Let's see what is the time and space complexity for this solution. Since we are taking only one integer array with a fixed size, the space complexity is order of 1. Let's see what is the time complexity for this solution. Since we are iterating all the numbers from target and then we are iterating all the numbers from array. So if there are n numbers in target and n numbers in array, then the time complexity will be order of n. Yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. Thank you for watching this. If you liked this video, then please like and subscribe our channel.